Hello everyone, I'm Yu-Ting Chou. Today I'm going to present my Assessment 1 report, and my chosen SDG is 15 Life on Land. This is my presentation overview. At first, something to think about is how might we promoting ecotourism for Australia's fragile environment in order to protect environment and biodiversity. Protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainable manage forests, combat desertification, and halt and reverse land degradation, and halt biodiversity rules is SDG 15, the target attention. And the specific targets I'm trying to focus is 15A, 15.4, and 15.5. 15A is mobilize and significant increase financial resource from all sources to conserve and sustainable use biodiversity and ecosystem. 54 is to ensure the conservation of mountain ecosystems, including their biodiversity, in order to enhance their capacity to provide benefits that are essential for sustainable development. 15.5 is to take urgent and significant action to reduce the degradation of natural habitat, halt the loss of biodiversity, and protect the extinction of threatened species. Australia is a vast country spanning a huge range of latitude and longitude, with a diverse range of natural landscapes in different climates, and currently has 20 World Heritage Sites. Australia is also known as the World Museum of Living Fossils, one of the most biologically diverse countries and one of the 70 most biologically diverse countries in the world. It is home to more than 1 million species of plants and animals. However, because of the independent location, Australia's ecological environment is fragile. A recent AU State of the Environment Report 2021 reported that Australia's environment is collapsing at an alarming rate, with Australia losing the highest number of mammal species in the world due to habitat loss, invasion alien species, polluting, and climate change, resulting in 19 ecosystems on the verge of collapse. This has led to the extinction of many important animals in Australia, and has made the ecosystem unstable and more vulnerable to invasive species. Next one is precedent analysis. First is one only, second is wood paper, and third one is biodiversity day poster. One and only is a private eco-reserve in Australia, which covers 7,000 acres and is home to vast area of wildlife. While protecting the ecological, they also provide the public with a better understanding of the wildlife. Through the hotel various activity, I think one only is a good example of how to protect ecological and wildlife. Some pros like the income from the private eco-reserves can be used to build many private eco-reserves and educate the public. I think it's good, but there are also some cons like the price is not so affordable to the public. Second one is wood paper. Wood paper combines recycled paper with plant and flower seeds to make seed paper. By burning this seed paper in the soils and watering them, unexpected plant and flower will grow, surprising people and reuse paper, forming another cycle and reducing the burden of the environment. The pros like it is very useful in restoration of forests and increasing coverage of plants. But there are also some cons that the making process is complicated and the price is too high. The third one is Biodiversity Day poster. The lack of public awareness has also led to a relative low level of political attention to biodiversity issues. The United Nations has therefore declared that May 22 as the International Day for Biological Diversity to raise understanding and awareness of biodiversity issues. The pros like the public does not know much about the meaning of biodiversity, so it would be much easier and more meaningful to have a festival to convey the idea for it. But there are also some cons, like because of COVID-19, all the activity of this day are carried out online, so the purpose of the day is a bit lost. The initial idea: ecotourism, experience, education, and protection. The idea is to promote ecotourism and provide an ecological resort where people can experience what ecotourism is. And ecotourism is dedicated to traveling to relatively undisturbed or unspoiled natural reserves with specific researching and experience or enjoying the wildlife. It educates people to adopt an environment-responsible approach to travel in order to protect biodiversity and conserve the natural environment. This is my APA referencing. Thank you so much.